Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a professional PowerPoint slide. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to make a professional PowerPoint slide here, basically PowerPoint first of all offers us very different kind of templates as well. Okay, so if I just go to this new here, like in this home page here, or in this new page here, you can see that we have all of these professional templates here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to basically make a presentation on, let's suppose that on this template here. Okay, I will just click on this one, and then basically I will click on this option here, and it will basically first download this template for us. And here now you can see basically that we have this cool looking design and cool looking professional kind of PowerPoint template here, and we have these two slides here. This is our main slide, okay, in which we have the title for our presentation, and then we have this slide over here. And if you wanted to add more slides, just click on this one and click on new slide, and it will be in the design of this slide as well. Okay, and basically you can basically customize it on yourself. Basically what you're gonna have to do, just make a good looking text here. You can change the font from here basically. Okay, there are multiple types of options here that you can do with the font, and then make sure that you always enter your text in the bullets form or in the basically numbering list form. Okay, always write your text, and don't add multiple text here, like don't add more text here, and always make sure to basically add images and videos as a reference as well. Okay, so what this will do, this will basically make your presentation more beautiful, more easy to understand, and more professional. So you can basically always take the help from the templates. Okay, and basically if you go online here, okay, you can search here free professional PowerPoint templates. Okay, and you can basically get all of these free templates here. Basically these are free templates. Okay, you will not pay for these templates. Okay, just get any template that you want from here. Okay, we will just let this to load, and here you can see that we have all of these like cool looking free templates here. Okay, you just have to download these from here. Okay, and then you can customize it according to your needs. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.